friends, today I am going to tell you how to make an easy flower like this. Isn't it beautiful? We need 5 tissue small pieces. And now we have to do this. You can choose any other design, but as I like this dotted design, so I have choose this. Now we have to fold it like this. And then step it. We have to do it like this. We have to separate these tissue papers. Make sure you have separated it lightly. Isn't it easy? Its beauty depends upon its design. And please make sure it is not teared. You have to do it very carefully. Isn't it looking beautiful? And then you can also wrap a tape on it, a ribbon, or you can just color it with markers. So, see. Allah Hafiz, my dear friends. Please give a like to this video and subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.